Hey, how's it going? My name is Leon from No More Lines. So this quick video will show you how to fix the issue where when using the Elgato HD60S capture card, you're not able to output sound when you capture from your Nintendo Wii console. From the Wii dashboard, you're going to go to the Wii button where it says Wii options. From here, you're going to go to the Wii settings. And then from here, you're going to go to screen and then TV resolution. Then from here, you're going to make sure that you select HDTV 480p and hit confirm. After you hit confirm, you should start to hear sound from your TV set. If you don't hear sound, you're going to have to do some more troubleshooting with your Elgato HD60S, which may include reinstalling the drivers, making sure that the device is plugged into the correct USB port, and also making sure that your OBS settings are correct. Thanks for watching the video. If this video gave you any value, please be sure to share the video, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hey, thanks for watching.